Yeah, hi, I'm going to show you how to play an F flat minor chord on the keyboard. It's quite easy to play it. It's a bit more difficult to understand the names of the notes. Have a look. This one is F, right? If I were to play an F minor, just a straight F minor, it looks like this. If I have to play an F flat minor, I have to flatten all the keys in the chord, right? Right now this key is called F, this is called A flat, and this is called C. Now I'm going to start by flattening the F, moving this finger one key down to this key. This key is E, but in fact it's called F flat. Okay? The next one is a bit tricky because this is already an A flat, it's already a flat note, and I have to flatten it even more, right? So I move it one key down. It's the key G, but in fact, in theory, it's called A double flat. Okay? Now the last note is the note C. I have to flatten the C, moving it down here to the key B, but this note is in fact called C flat. So the three notes in an F flat minor chord is in fact F flat, A double flat, and C flat. As you'll notice, this minor chord is exactly the same as an E minor. Okay? The F flat minor is exactly the same chord as an E flat. To not confuse you too much in this exercise, I'll simply call this note for F flat as the root note. I'll call this note G, although you already know it's in fact called A double flat. I'll just call it G. And this note, I think I'll call this C flat. Okay? There you have it. The F flat minor. Now, because the F flat minor is in fact a three-note chord, you can also have what's known as three inversions of the chord. This inversion is called the root inversion or root note inversion because you in fact have the root note at the bottom of the chord, F flat, right? To make the next inversion, simply move the bottom note all the way to the top, move your hand. This is called F flat minor first inversion. To make the next inversion, again move the bottom note all the way to the top. This is called F flat minor second inversion. And you'll notice if we make one more inversion, moving the bottom note, the C flat, all the way to the top, we will in fact be back at the root inversion of the chord. Just like the one you had down here, only one octave higher, okay? And of course we can go downwards on the keyboard. F flat minor root inversion. Now to go downwards, move the top note all the way to the bottom, like this, move your hand. This is second inversion. Move the top note to the bottom. First inversion. Move the top note to the bottom. Root inversion. Okay, I'll do it one more time. Root inversion. First inversion. Second inversion. Root inversion. And the other way, starting with root inversion, top note to the bottom. Second inversion. First inversion. Root inversion. So, to practice your F flat minor chord, simply do like this. Root, first, second, root, root, second, first, root. Now you can also practice the inversions using arpeggios. Do like this. There you have it, the F flat minor chord with the notes F flat, A double flat, C flat. So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. If you want more free piano chord stuff, how about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course? Or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordcharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.